Hey folks, this is a simple one, but it comes up a lot, so we're gonna do it. How do you open the hood of your 2025 Mini? There's a lever right down where your left foot is. You can see it right down here. You pull this lever all the way up till you hear it. And then you pull it a second time all the way up till you hear it again, and then you can let go. Now the hood's ready to open. There are no levers under here. You don't have to feel for anything. You just take the hood of your car and you open it up. It's gonna stay. And then you've got the inside of your car. So if it's a gasoline car, you'll have your jump points over here, and on all of them over here, either up here or down here, is gonna be where you add your windshield washer fluid when you need to do that, if it's not between services. And then when you close it, don't touch your paint. Never touch paint. Grab these hooks, pull it down, get to the bottom of it on the edge, find the balance point, give it a little push. It's closed. Nobody has to do this and scratch your paint or damage the logo or do anything like that. It's closed, it's smooth, you're ready to go.